Hello students, good evening. Yeah, wait. Don't raise a hand now. I will ask at that time. Wait. How many of you are joined? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see only 5 students. Where are the others?
Hey, मुझे
Okay. Fine. I think today 3A, section A and section B both we have combined this class today. Okay. So just quickly I will recall what and all we did in the last class. Okay. Again, where Avantika went. Yes, Mudit.
Sir, today what are we going to learn?
Today just a quick revision and a little bit we will take forward to the how to set up the board and all. Okay. Fine. Yeah, can we start the class now? Because only 5 are there. Fine, let them join. Whoever comes, let them join. Very nice. Yes, Nirav?
Sir, I already know how to set up the board.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Then I have few questions for you. You have to answer for those questions. Okay?
Yeah.
Fine. So, last class, I think everyone attended last class, right? Who else not attended the last class? Just raise your hand. Yes. You have not attended?
I attended, sir.
Then? Okay.
My connection was bad, so I didn't hear anything.
Okay. Fine. Yes. Ashok?
Sir, I attend and I know to arrange the board.
Fine. Fine. What I will do is, I will just switch off all of your videos, okay, so that the internet will not take much this thing frequency. Fine. If you have any doubt, any of you people know how to press the task button, right? Fine. Then let's quickly recall the last class what we have done. Yes, Mudit?
Sir, I know a bit
Okay, fine.
of arranging a.
Yeah. Basically, last class we did just an introduction part. We have started like how chess has evolved, how chess started in India. It's basically a Indian game. How they started playing chess in India, how it become a game in India. Okay. Gradually, like immediately, it doesn't change any much more. Gradually, the planning process started, and it become like a game. Okay, it's become like a war game between two kings. Fine. So nowadays we have a lot of very good players in the world. In the topmost, the world champion is the Magnus Carlsen, and India's best player is Vishwanathan Anand. Yes.
Sir, sir, I don't know how to play chess and I never learned how to play.
And that's why we are here, right? That's why we are teaching you people how from the start we will teach. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. Fine. Now India's top player is Vishwanathan Anand. He is one of the strongest player in the world. These people are called legendary grandmasters. So they are very strong. They are very strong in chess field. So my question is, how they become that much strong? What is the secret behind that strong playing very strong? Did anybody knows? Yes, Mira?
Sir, by practicing
Yes.
a lot.
Exactly. By practicing a lot. Correct. They used to practice lot most of the time. Out of 24 hours, they used to practice around 16 to 18 hours time. So, yes, Avantika? Avantika? No, offline. Yes?
Sir, you switched off our videos.
Yes, exactly. Because those who have very low bandwidth internet connection, they may get clear voice, at least our voice. That's why I have switched off all of your videos. Okay, don't worry, I can able to make out who is online, who is offline. Okay, fine. Now what happened, Like nowadays the chess become a very famous game, and it's called as a gentleman's game. Okay, because two gentlemen were sitting in front of the board and they were using their brains, they were using and they were thinking, and then they were playing, right? Okay, the benefits of chess last class we have told. What are the benefits of chess? One is your thinking speed will get improved. Second, your concentration level will get improved. Third, your patience level will get improved. Okay, yes Mudit?
Sir, that and problem solving.
Yes, the problem solving skill, that's what, the thinking speed. Once your thinking speed will get improved, automatically the problem solving skills will come, skills will get improved. Okay, actually day before yesterday one student asked me, sir, is there any other game which improves concentration? So my answer for that, my personal answer for that is, for every game you need a concentration. Okay, for every game you need to focus, you need to concentrate on the game. Okay, but in chess you will get an opportunity to improve your concentration level. Okay, not just to apply concentration or not just to keep focus on the board, but you can improve that concentration level. Okay, so chess helps in that. It's simply not like winning the game or losing the game. It will it will teach you. Sir, everyone camera is off. Yes, why people are taking care of? Wait, I will switch on. Yes. Okay, those who are having low internet connections, they will not get at least my voice. So that's why I used to switch off the videos. Okay, fine, no issues. Yeah. Fine. Now, what happened? Once you started thinking, it's all these three are interrelated. Okay, thinking speed, concentration, and focus. I will tell you how. If you concentrate on one thing, if you concentrate on one work, definitely your focus will be there. You have to focus. If you focus well, then only your concentration will get improved. Then if you concentrate on any of the thing, then your thinking speed will get improved. Okay, you start thinking very fast. Whatever decisions you can take, you will think in a fraction of a second, you can take the decisions. Okay, so to do all these things, chess will help you out. Okay, if you have any doubt till here, this is the brief history of chess and the benefits of chess. It's a theory part. We will assign you the theory part to read out the things. I think last class even Balkishan sir has also told you people how to where you will get a theory material. Did anybody read whatever we have assigned last class? After the class we have assigned something. Did anybody read? Yes, Gia? Yes, sorry, Ashok?
Sir, I read it.
You read it. Very good. Gia?
No, sir.
No, why? We have that's what last class only we told you have to spend at least 10 to 20 minutes per day for chess. Okay. Yes, Gia, you want to tell something?
Sir, but I got notebook.
Yeah, that's good. Fine, no problem. Huh? Okay. Those who didn't read, please go through it once. Yes.
Sir, do we have to get notebook?
Yes, one small notebook just to take a note. Not notes exactly, to points. Just to take the points.
Oh, small notebook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Yes, Mudit?
Sir, I didn't receive any message.
Okay. For the course or for the assignment, you will not receive any message. After this class, just go through it once. I will tell you the location. Those who have a notebook, just note it down. Okay. After this class, just click on the courses button. Then in the lobby. Okay. Then click on post button, then click on level 1, then click on introduction. There you will get few of the highlighted questions. Though there you can click on the discuss and you can study the theory part of the chess. Okay, did everybody? Okay, one by one.
Sir, I have a notebook.
Fine, very good, very good. Yeah, very good. Yes, Avantika. Offline. Yes, Mudit.
Sir, that I went in this, but I didn't get any.
You will get now.
No, sir, I didn't receive any message. Shouldn't I have tried?
No, you will not get any message, but you will get the course material over there. The location was
No, sir, I have tried that.
Is it? Okay,
Yes,
then,
sir, I didn't get any.
After this class, I will call back you and let you know what is going on.
Okay,
Just
sir.
remind me, huh? Fine. Yes.
Sir, should we write this?
There you write the these messages where you can get the assignments. Okay. If you go there, you will get the assignments and you have to read out whatever assignment we have given. It might be a theory part, it might be a puzzle. Fine, huh? Okay. Now let's move forward. Fine. Let's move forward. Fine. Now all the theory part what we have taught last class, that is like understanding the game, understanding the history of the game, understanding why we have to play game. Okay. Now let's get into the proper chess game. Fine. Okay. Now can anybody tell me how many squares are there in the chessboard? How many squares are there in the chessboard? Total number of squares. Yes, Jia?
64.
64. Okay, fine. Yes, Asha?
64. 64.
64. Yes, Mudit?
64.
64. So, total number of squares on the board would be is of 64 squares. Fine? So, I think, yeah, total number of squares on the chessboard will be of 64. That will be, like, see, 8 cross 8. Correct? 8 rows and 8 columns. Right? So, in the 8 rows and 8 columns, how many? Okay, here we will learn one more thing. Here, from here onwards, we will use chess related terms only for the chess class. Okay, just a second. Yes.
Sir, we have 64 squares in a chessboard.
Yes, very good, very good. Huh? Now, in the chess, we will use some technical words in the chess. Okay, like simple words, not much complicated. Like as you people know, chess board contains 2 colors. Correct? 2 colors, right? Which are those colors? Yes, Jia?
Black and white.
Black and white. Fine. Next, who else raised? Yes, Ashwat?
Black and white.
Black and white. Okay. Next, anybody else? Yeah, you're over, right? Yeah.
Black and white.
Black and white. Fine. Very good. Anybody else? Yes, Meera?
Black and white, sir.
Black and white. Okay. On your screen, what you people are just seeing on your screen, is it a black and board white? Black and white board? Which color are these two? Wait, I will mark. Wait, which is this color, and which is this color? Yes, Nirav?
So, what did you mark out?
You people told it's a black and white, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, but which color you can see on your screen right now? Board color.
Board color peach and brown.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. Is this a white and black? Yes, Sudesh?
No, sir, it's not.
It's not a white and black. Then also it's a chessboard, right? Yes, Avantika? Offline. Then also it's a chessboard. So you people told, sir, only black and white will be there. Then how to generalize these things? How to generalize this color discrepancy? Yes.
Sir, the coins are black and white.
Coins are black and white.
And the board is brown and some peach something.
Fine. Now I can show you people blue and white, green and white boards. Huh? So there should be one word, there should be one specific word. Wait, I didn't find for live. Okay. Now there should be one specific word to generalize all these colors. Okay. Can anybody guess? What are those generalized words? Any random guesses? Yes, Ashok?
Red and white.
Red and white. Wow. Fine. Still anybody want to give the answer? Random guesses. How we can generalize all these colors in chess? Yes?
So there are some boards that also have green and white squares.
Yes. Some boards are having green and white. Some boards are having blue and white. Okay.
Oh, I never knew that. I only knew green and white because there was a chess board.
Okay. Yeah, that board is having green and white. Fine. Next. Neeraj?
So when I used to go to chess classes, they used to give us green and white board.
That's all.
Green and white. Green and white.
Okay. Green and white, blue and white, this brown and light brown. Yes, Tia?
Both chessboards should have opposite colors.
Opposite colors. Not much. The green color, opposite color of green color. Is it a white?
Light color green.
Okay. So, yes, Avantika? Again, she's went offline. Okay, fine. See, actually, we will generalize these two colors in two words. I am just typing. Yes. Light and dark. It might be any color. It might be either it is a green and white, or a blue and white, or brown or white, brown and gray, whatever. We will call it as a light and dark. Okay. Yes, Pranav? Pranav. Restart. Okay, 1 second. Fine. It's a... Yes, Ashwat?
Sir, can you show them in the screen here the color boards?
You want to see the color boards? Yeah, just a moment then. I will get it. Just a moment. Just a moment. I will get those two color boards. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Yes, Nirav?
Sir, actually for green and white boards, they given some in like a chart.
See, I will show you now. This is the green and white board. Can you able to see? This is green and white. Okay. One more is there. This is blue and white. Can you able to make out? Blue color, dark blue. Okay. So there are multiple colors board. So just a moment. Yes, Jia? Jia? Oh, sorry.
Sir,
Hmm.
I've seen the green and white mat.
Yeah, usually in the games they used to have.
So-
green. Yes, Jia, tell me.
I couldn't see the board.
You couldn't see the board. Yeah, now can you able to?
No. I can only see the brown and white.
No, in my video.
No.
Are you using?
Oh,
Huh.
now I can see.
Yeah, this is what. This is the blue and white, and this is the green and white. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Fine. So
Yes.
to generalize these colors, we call those as light and dark. Okay. So let me ask you one question. How many light squares are there on the board? Can anybody tell? How many light squares? Yes, Ashwat?
32.
Very nice. Yes, Jia?
32.
32. Fine, very good. See, total number of squares. Total is 64. Yeah, total is 64. In that, light square is 32, and dark square will be, yes, Jia?
32.
Yeah, dark square will be 32. Correct. Dark square 32. So
Yeah.
total number of squares is 64. Fine. Understood? So total number of squares on the board is 64. In that, dark squares is 32 and light squares is 32. Fine. Now it's a simple mathematics, right? It's as it is a square board, 8 cross 8 board. So 8 cross 8, 64. In that, 32 white squares, 32 light square, and 32 dark square. Okay. Now, fine. Now this first thing, how many squares are there in the board? In that, 32 light and 32 dark, and the terms. From now onwards, we will use light square, dark square. The terms we will use. Okay. Those who are not getting those terms, just ask me. I will explain you once again. If you have any doubts, you can ask us. Fine. Yeah.
Sir, there are 32 squares.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. So now, somebody told in the beginning, sir, I know how to arrange the pieces. Pranav, one second. Pranav is having some problem. I will rectify it. Pranav, restart the internet. Okay. Somebody told in the beginning of the class, somebody told, sir, I know how to arrange the pieces. So who is that? Yes, Neera?
Yes, sir, me.
You only? Fine. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a 8 cross 8, 64 square. It's a square board, correct?
Yeah.
All the sides will be of equal size, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, is it possible or is it correct to, if for example, this is a chessboard, Okay, I will show you from board only. See, now you can see full board, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. To place the board, before arranging the board, to place the board, is it a correct position to place the board?
No.
No. So you are telling this is the correct position to place the board. Correct?
Yeah.
How? On what basis you told which is the correct basis and this is the wrong position? On what basis you told? Fine. Anybody knows?
Sir, I think like how the numbers is correct and the letters that side is the
Okay.
correct.
Okay, fine. Now just imagine those numbers are not there and letters will also not there on the board. A empty board I will give you. Okay. I think without printed board even I don't have. The empty board I will give you. How you will tell that this is the correct position and this is the wrong position of the board? There should be something, right? There should be something. Right? Yeah, just a second. Yes, Ashwath?
Sir, the black will be in the when the black color will be in left side last,
Mm-hmm.
and then right side will be the black square will be up in right.
Very good, very good, very good, Ashwath. You are almost 98% correct. Okay. No, I can tell you 99% you are correct. Okay. Just a second. Let me ask.
Okay.
Yes, Jia.
Sir, the right corner white box
Okay.
for each player should be same.
Very good. Now, yeah. Yes. As Jia and Ashwath both told the correct answer. Okay. Now, you just observe the board. Always there is one simple rule to check. One very simple rule. If this H, G, F, E, this alphabets or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these numbers are not there on the board, then how to decide which is the correct position of the board? The simple technique is always your right hand bottom corner should be white color, like this one. Just check. Where is green? Yeah, this square. For black, this square. Now you see it's a green color, right? This green color square, it's the right hand bottom square. See, check on the board also. See now, if I take out this board, this is not the. See, if I keep board like this, for example, if I place the board like this, then my right bottom square will be of white square. Okay, so always you have to, before arranging the board, you have to check this basic thing. This is the very basic thing you have to check before arranging the board. Understood? This is very simple trick. No need to check whether where is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, where is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, no need to check. Don't worry about those things. Just check that is there my right hand bottom square, is it a white square or not? If it is a white square, then your board position is correct. If it is a black square, then your board position is wrong. Just tilt 90 degree, it will get correct. Okay. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ರೀಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫೈನ್. ನಾವು ಯಾ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ bottom should be white square. If right hand bottom is a black square, then just tilt 90 degree, it will get correct. Fine. Understood? Now tell me, how many of you from next game onwards, whichever game you will play, wherever you will play, first this is the very basic thing you have to check. Okay, don't keep the board as it is, how it is, without if these names are not there. Yes, Ashwath?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Yes, Avantika?
I'm also going to do that.
Nirav, understood?
So, what will happen if we arrange it in the wrong way?
See, as I told you, there are multiple colors board. Okay, they have made it in a generalized way, like dark and light square. Correct?
Yes.
In the same way, this is also one rule they made universally. If you play chess anywhere in the world, okay, yeah, there will be a uniform format for the game. Correct?
Yeah.
Right? So that's why they have kept this format. Wherever you start playing, just first check whether it is a light square and the right hand bottom square should be white. Okay?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi Pranav, can you able to hear me now? See, again he went offline. Just a second, I will just tell Pranav. Fine. Now, these are the important thing what you people have to take care of. Okay. First, those first 2 points will be of your knowledge. Of there will be a 64 squares in the chessboard, 32 light square and 32 dark square. So, light and dark. This is the term we use for saying Pranav offline. Yes, Mudit?
Sir, when are we going to learn how to play chess?
See, that's what. Immediately, you people are there in the 3rd grade, right? Grade 3, right? So, next grade will be what? Mudit? Next grade will be 4. After that?
5,
After that?
6,
After that?
7.
Okay. Now, immediately from 3rd grade, can you jump to the 7th grade?
No, but before, if they read very well, they could go.
Oh,
My grandfather has done.
okay. That's nice. That's nice. That's all. To do well, you have to learn the things from the scratch. Right? So, what we are trying to do here is, we are teaching you from the basics, from the very basic things, and very minute things also we will teach. Okay, which is very important in future. Those things we will teach you. See, how many of you know this? The right hand bottom square should be white. Very few of you, correct? So I know everyone is everyone know how to play, how to make the piece movements, but few of you know the techniques or tricks or little bit knowledge about the. Yes, Ashwat?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I know to arrange the pieces and the movements, but I do not know to play.
Okay, very good, very good. That's all. See, very good, Ashwat. That's all. What we will teach is, we will teach step by step. Each step we will make you to understand. If you people are not able to understand, not even a single one step in between, the connection will break. Okay, that's why we are teaching, we are stressing each point 2 times, 3 times. Why we are repeating the points is, let's you people to understand and learn step by step. Okay, so today these things, yeah, what is the time? Yeah, fine. For today's class, what we learnt is, first, how many squares are there on the board. Second thing, how many dark square and how many light squares, and the terms what we used is dark and light. From now onwards, for your entire chess course we will use these two words, dark and light. Okay, next, how to place the board. Okay, how to place the board. Just I will quickly recall how to place the board. Your right hand bottom square should be light square. Okay, that is the correct placement of the board if these alphabets or numbers are not there, then. Okay, so till here anybody have any doubts? Till here anybody have any doubts? Yes, Pranav, can you hear me now?
Sir, I actually missed a lot of things. So what are we learning?
Okay, quickly I will recall. Now you can hear my voice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, what we learnt in this class is the total number of squares on the board. Okay, there are 64 squares on the board. Fine. In that, 32 light squares and 32 dark squares. So I showed them some of the example boards. Like this is the green and white combination board, and this is the blue and white combination board. So usually, so for generalize the colors, we will term it as a dark and light. Okay, fine. From now onwards, through our chess course, we will continue using these two words, dark and light. Fine. Now, next thing, to place the board. How to place the correct position of the board? So always, whenever you see the board, just see that right bottom square should be white, whichever I have marked. Can you able to see the mark on the board?
No, sir. No, sir.
You cannot able to see. Just a second. Now can you able to see?
Not yet, sir.
Now?
No. Yeah, I can see one. I can see two right now.
Yeah, see, that is your right hand bottom square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right hand bottom square will be of white square. It means light square. Then only that position will, that board position are correct. Fine. Understood, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Fine. These things you have to keep in your mind. Yes, Avantika, you want to tell something? Your voice is not so clear. Can you please repeat?
I got dropped out.
You got?
Dropped out.
Okay. You understood, right? The corner, always right corner should be right, bottom square should be light square to keep the correct placement of the board. You understood this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So from now onwards, from today onwards, if you people are playing chess, wherever you play chess, first thing you have to keep in mind that right hand bottom square should be light square. Okay. Fine. I will assign some questions. As I in the beginning of the class I have mentioned some path, right? Like go into the my course, inside that courses, inside that introduction, level 1, inside that introduction. In that introduction you will be getting highlighted questions. Okay, those you have to solve. You have to click on the solve and then you have to solve those questions. Just a simple questions we have. You have to solve those questions. Yes,
Sir,
oh, sorry, wait. Yeah, yes, Madhu?
sir, should we write it in our notebook or there'll be a space where to write?
There is a, we have a space, we have a interface to do the assignments also, okay? Fine. Yes, Pranav?
Sir, did you put that in the first class?
Pardon?
Did you also put the first class?
Yeah, I just quickly revised what we done in the first class, just the history and the benefit of the chess.
No, sir.
Yes?
I'm asking you, did you also put the questions in the first class?
Your voice is so, I am trying to understand, but it's very disturbing that kind of thing. Yeah, can you please repeat once again?
So,
Huh.
you also write questions with the last class?
Yes. Both the things we will assign you. Okay, last class and this class. Yes.
So, when are you going to switch on our videos?
Okay, you want me to switch on you people video or just a second? Yeah. Now fine. Yes, Avantika, you want to tell something?
Sir, I was not explaining anything.
Pardon?
I saw two things, but I was not able to open them.
Okay. Let me check. I think today.
Sir, you are muted.
Let me check. I think from today onwards, you people can access that course material. Okay. Yeah, Neerav,
Sir, it's open for me.
it's open for you. Have you solved?
Not. I didn't solve it, but then I read the introduction.
Yes, very good. That's sir, your video is first. Where is? Okay. Yes.
Sir, I don't have a chessboard to play chess.
Now just you open the Chessera app. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
After this class, open the Chessera app, go to courses, and then inside that, if you go, you will get few questions or few introduction theory part you have to read out. Okay. From next class
Okay.
onwards, I will tell you how to solve, how we will give the puzzles. Huh? Fine.
Oh.
Neerav,
Yes, sir.
why are you using laser to the camera? Huh? No. Yes, Ashok?
Sir, even I opened the Chessera app.
Mm-hmm.
I read it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what is the homework, sir?
Yeah, one second. Today I will tell you the homework. Okay? Huh? Today whatever I have taught you people, the same thing, it's there in the question format. Okay? Fine? Yes?
Sir. Sir, why do we have to play chess chess in a what do we call that? In the order of the point?
Okay. Fine. See, what I understood from your question is like, why do we have to follow the steps to play the chess? Correct? See. Okay. Let me ask you people. When you woke up in the morning, your mom will give you one cup of milk or sorry, I got muted. Yeah. See what happened. Why we have to follow the steps? Instead of playing whatever we know, or why we have to follow the steps what already there in the chess? That's because from the research or from whatever they have played the games, whatever they have played their own games, from those games they understood their mistakes and they have corrected those mistakes and they have put it in a format that, see, these are the correct moves you can play. So instead of thinking at that point, we can learn those tricks and then we can implement those tricks in the game. Yes, Pranav?
Like, so the reason why we have to take a pattern, it's not
Sorry,
it's different.
Pranav, sorry, it's not audible for me. Can you, if possible, can you type your question in the chat?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay then. Okay, then we will wind off the class today. Okay, so we will assign the homework. It will be of just 10 minutes work or 5-10 minutes work, not more than that. Okay, just go through it once and solve out. Yes. Wait. Yes, tell me.
Sir, you can.
Ayyo, wait. Yes, Nirav?
Sir, are you going to assign the homework now?
Yes, after this class I will assign a small work, small 2 or 3 questions. Okay, not more than that.
Okay, sir.
Fine? Fine then. Okay, can we end the session today? Okay? So, enjoy. Bye bye. If you have any queries, you can text us or call us. Okay, we will help you out. Fine. Bye bye. Take care.